In today's topic, we are going to discuss about Euclidean distance between 2 points when the cosine distance between them is 0. Let us discuss with a beautiful and interesting story. Consider there is a playground, big one. In that playground, consider there is a pole, flagpole. This point is considered to be as a flagpole and we name it as O. The origin of the flagpole is at O. Now, there are two persons who are Bahubali and Mallaladeva. You know the interesting characters, right? Okay. These two persons are in a treasure hunt. They are searching for the treasures. They have given certain maps and directions, all the things they need. In Bahubali map, he was heading to east and we name this point as A. And in Ballaladeva's map, he was heading towards north, and we consider this point as B. Okay, now they went to treasure hunt from the origin O in different directions. Bahubali goes in the direction in east, and Balaladeva goes in the directions in the north. Now we can explain the cosine distance between them is 0. How? When they are perpendicular to each other, the cosine distance between them is 0. So now Bahubali and Balaladeva are in a cosine distance between them with 0. Okay, but we can't say anything how far apart from they are from the 2 points. Bahubali can be reached till here itself. Ballaladeva can go till to this point. He can go to only 5 miles. He can go to 10 miles. So we never know the distance between the 2 points by knowing the cosine distance. Means they are just very perpendicular to each other and they goes into the straight lines when the cosine distance between them is 90 degrees. Now we can draw. Okay, next consider they find their treasure hunts. Bahubali got a pot of gold coins. Okay, and Ballaladeva got a pot of some gold jewelry. No, silver coins. Okay, silver coins. Okay, now they want to trade with each other, so they have to travel towards each other. They never consider this coming back to the origin and coming back to the origin. No, they find the shortest path, which is the Euclidean distance between the 2 points. This is called Euclidean distance. Okay, this will be the Euclidean distance between the 2 points, in which we can measure the distance between the 2 points which are perpendicular to each other. That means the cosine angle between them is, cosine distance between them is 0. But we can never say that is they are travel to equal distance. Like if Bahubali travels 50 miles, Ballala Deva also should travel 50 miles. That is not defined. They can be traveled like Ballala Deva can be traveled to 10 miles and Bahubali can travel to 50 miles. This is also be considered as cosine Euclidean distance. So the final thing is when the cosine distance between the 2 points is 0, that means they are perpendicular to each other and the Euclidean distance is the distance which between the 2 points. That's the only thing we can say.